Welcome back. Today, we're setting up the Thara Oversized Corduroy sofa from start to finish. And yes, it only takes a few steps. Unbox all sofa modules and accessories. Lay them out neatly and check each item against the installation list. Screw the rubber feet into the bottom of each module. Twist them to pre-adjust the height and make leveling super easy later on. Insert the metal connectors into the designated slots on the underside of each module. Push gently until they click into place. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws. Make sure all joints are level. Press lightly to confirm and secure connection. Then re-tighten the legs. Arrange the modules in the desired order. Push them firmly together until you hear the connector click and lock. Place the seat cushions and backrests into position. Press them gently into the slots until they fit snugly. Do a final check of all joints and legs. Test the sofa's stability. Then dispose of all packaging materials. Enjoy your Thara Oversized Corduroy sofa. See you next time. Bye.